dinosaur.
Should we do a dinosaur today?
Yeah, but I don't wanna, I just don't want the whole thing.
Okay, should we do it right here like this? So it's like a roar, like it's eating with you and talking with you?
Yeah.
And then I'll go right here, just like that.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
That would be cool, right? We're gonna do a dinosaur on Kaisen today. This is gonna be so much fun. All right, so what we're gonna use here is, I think this is an arty brush cake. It's usually used for leaves, but I like to use it for dinosaurs. It has a super dark green, which I just grabbed some from, and a lighter green at the bottom, so I can do some really cool one-stroke design. We're gonna start right at his mouth and do the dinosaur head first, and then the bottom part of the lip for the bottom part of the head. Flip the brush around like that and fill it in just a little bit. Then we're gonna do the teeny tiny neck, swoop up to the back leg and buttocks of the dinosaur. I'm gonna take the dinosaur's tail and swoop it up across his forehead. Got a little bit too much water. And this one, turn your head this way just a little bit for me, buddy. Thank you. So from here, we have the back leg. We're gonna reverse that down, pull it forward, and you can see the back leg here. And we'll take the front ones. It's a little bit difficult from the angle that I'm at right now. To get the exact stroke that I want, but that's okay. A little bit of really cool glitter on your dinosaur. So I'm gonna take my wolf black, which I use for outlining. We're gonna start with the dinosaur's head. Come around, and then make some little bumps for the neck. Come down here, he's got an adorable lip. Now we're gonna do some teeth and some claws for your dinosaur, okay?
Okay.
You ready to see your really cool dinosaur? Open up. Roar! Thanks, buddy. You're all done, honey. Good job.